everyone. Welcome to week 32 of Euro USD forecast for the week. We're looking at what the market has for us for this week 32. Now, there's a lot going on in the market, but we are approaching the last quarter of the year, and that means a lot is going on in the market. There's so much pressure in the market, so much volatility. You have to be very careful as you trade. But irrespective of that, if you know what you're doing, you definitely have a winning edge, an edge in the market that will put you over. So this week we're looking at what edge can we take advantage of on Euro USD. Now, if you are joining us for the first time, this is Trader C Brown. This is my YouTube channel, and I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, so that you will be able to get all this information that we have for you for the rest of the year. Now, guess what? We are also doing an amazing discount offer for mentorship program on our team. We are actually helping a lot of people this period. We want to help them learn how to trade. It doesn't matter where you live in the planet. You can actually learn how to trade with ease. You don't need to pay all this outrageous amount of money that people are charging everywhere. No, we just want you to know that you have this opportunity to have an edge in the market and gain your financial freedom. So what we're doing is we are helping people to trade, teaching them how to trade for the next 12 months of their experience with us, and they are going to learn how to trade. Listen, if you want to know how, you want to be involved, the link is in the description of this video. Maybe probably the first or the second link, whichever one you can lay your hands on. Listen, take that link, take action, and you'll be so shocked what you are asked to give for this opportunity. It's so small. I mean, you'll be so shocked that that is for 12 months training experience with Trader C Brown. I'm doing it for the sake of those who have been battered, who have been bruised by this market, and also by all those scammers out there who claim to trade, teach you how to trade, charging outrageous amount of money, and then never commit to it. Listen, we want to change the narrative, and I'm encouraging you to be part of it. The link in the description below. Now, enough of all this ranting. Let's get into the chart and see what we have to do this week, week 32, how we can get some good peeps. You ready for that? Let's go. So I'm going to just turn on my chart right now, and we're going to look at Euro USD. Now, this is Euro USD chart you're looking on the screen, and we have previously predicted a buy, and it happened. So we saw that week push up, and then we have a drop again afterwards. Now, the previous week actually was week 31. We saw price was here, and we said if price fails to break above that high, we should be looking for more to the downside. And that is exactly what the market gave us. The market gave us a downside movement a little bit, but not too much of a pressure to the downside. So we saw that price has respected this range of price, not this two, sorry, this range of price here. We see the price has respected this range of price. So we see price came out there. This was the extension, obviously, and we anticipated that if price will break above this high, we should be looking for more buys. Okay, and obviously we can see that price hesitated over this region, and also because of the fundamental news that purificated last week. There's a lot of fundamental news last week, so we have this whole indecisions in that discount region. Now we see the price is ready to push up because of the bullish candle that just closed the market last time. So this is a buy zone right now. But the question is, how do you get into this market? Because it is obvious that this market is responding to structure, break up structure at this level, break up this structure, break up this structure. So we see the market is pulling back into to fill up the discount of this impulsive move to the upside. So what we want to pay attention to is break of structure to the upside. So in a smaller time frame. So what we want to do is go to 4 hour and see how price is acting. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market has a structure given to us to the downside. So we have this trend beautiful line, okay? This beautiful line here. Okay, we want to see that the market breaks above that for us to buy this market at all. Okay, now for my students who already know how we trade, they can tell that there are breakup structures everywhere. On the 4-hour time frame, we have multiple breakup structures right here. We have breakup structure right there, and also this minor structure here was being taken off. So we want to focus on this particular structure here. First, we have this push-up that took out the structure, which was a previous structure that was being maintained. And now we're looking at a reasonable pullback into this zone where price shoots out from, which is called order block. So possibly another buy opportunity may rise, but many of you may not be able to trade that way. So the best thing is wait for price to push above it, and then when it breaks this structure, you want to feel a pullback into that 61 possibly, and then you can begin to look for more buys to take out this high and target this high. This is what I'm looking at on Euro USD. But what if the market doesn't break that high to complement the buy pressure that is on the daily? Therefore, we have to look for two things. Number one, we need to pay attention to this previous low. Okay, pay attention to that previous low, and also pay attention to this previous high. This becomes your trading range on the 4-hour time frame on Euro USD. Okay, let me take out that one. So this is your trading range right here, this zone here, and this zone here. And it is in between the key zone, which is the killer zone. All right, this is a killer zone on the daily. Okay, this is a key zone on the daily, because that's 61 fib and 0.75 fib and also 0.50 fib, 0.5 fib. So that is a key zone right there. So what that means is within the zone, the market is determined to remain a sell or determined to remain a buy to continue pushing up. But because of the trend line that we have up there, is giving us guide that the market will like to go up. If you want to go up, it has to break that trend line. Otherwise, we are not looking for buys until that trend line is broken. Of course, we have structures, but we know that if this trend line break above it, we know that the market is ready to push higher. So for that reason, we're looking at that trend line as a key important area. So put it on your chart. You don't want to miss that. Then we're looking at these minor structures and also the major pull, the low that the market created before pushing up. So with that, market comes down. Let's say they're already in the sell. Okay, except the market creates another candle, push up a bit to reject again by testing that zone. If it does, then we have what we call M pattern in that region on the 4-hour. Then you can look for opportunity to sell at the break and then target this low for a profit, or target this low for a profit. What I mean by that is, for those of you who are still new to trading, I'm saying we could have the market create this pattern here, all right, M pattern, and then drop to this low. And then it could break this low if you want, and pull back and then keep selling. That can happen. So there's a possible look on this trade that could happen. A possible look on it that could continue the downside of the trend. But we are not buying until we have probably price pull back here and then push higher and break the structure, and then look for opportunity to start looking for more buys. This is where you want to trade it. And do not push trade. You guys need to understand that you don't push trade. Don't try to force trade. If there is no setup, there's no setup. If the market is not showing you what you want to see, then don't trade. If the market is not going in the direction you want it to go, then don't trade. Don't force to trade. It's very important. I've seen a lot of guys forcing trade. They want to make sure that they catch the pips every day. That's not how it goes, guys. The more you trade, the more you understand that not every day as a professional trader you need to be in the market. Not every day. I understand there are a group of scalpers in the market. You can't be scalping every day anyways. All right, you can have some time off within the week and learn to do that. Okay, not the trade you want to trade, if you want to take on the market. Don't just take everything that moves. All right, so that's what I'm looking at Euro USD. Watch this video again and again. You will understand. Okay, I'm not here to just tell you buy here, sell here. No, I'm here to give you a direction. It's called a forecast of the market direction. We're looking at the market direction for the week. It's a whole week period. We're looking at the market direction for that week, and it's 5 candles of the daily candles. We want to look at those movements, okay? And that's why we look at those 2 time frames to see the direction, the daily and the 4-hour, to let us know where the market is going for the week. And if you know how to do this, it becomes easy for you to start looking for entries using your strategy on the lower time frames to get in. Okay, this is very important. I hope you understand this. So I want to go back to the fundamentals again to share with you what we might be looking at on the fundamentals for the week. So on Monday, which is on the 7th, we have no of these information, not too much to worry about. Then on Tuesday, the same thing. On Wednesday, the same thing. Then on Thursday, we have a big move happening of CPI coming in the market. So get ready on 1:30 London time on USD CPI news. Okay, get ready for that. And also we have on Friday core PPI, which obviously is very important as well to pay attention, and GDP on GBP USD, GBP British pounds, okay, and then USD also within intervals of 4 or 3 or 4 hours or 5 hours time, you have another move in the market in fundamentals. So pay attention to those 2 days, Thursday, Friday, okay, for those of you trading USD pairs. I think that's what we got to do, talk about on this currency pair today. I believe you guys enjoyed this whole information, education that you got. Listen, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and those who you know that want to learn how to trade. And in addition to that, guys, hit the link to the Telegram group that we are functioning on. A lot of people are in there. Join us, all right? And I'll see you inside. Until the next week, which is week 33, keep making profits. Enjoy your trade. Bye for now.